In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Outlook toolbar. If your Outlook toolbar seems to have vanished or you only see the tab names across the top, don't worry. In Outlook, that toolbar is called the ribbon, and it can be hidden, minimized, or simplified depending on your settings. I'll walk you through a few quick ways to bring it back and keep it visible so you can work efficiently. A fast way to toggle the ribbon on and off is with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus F1. This switches the ribbon between hidden and visible. If it suddenly disappears again, press the same keys to bring it back. This is especially handy if the ribbon is taking up space on a smaller screen and you just want to quickly show or hide it as needed. If you prefer to leave it on all the time, look for the small arrow or caret icon near the top right corner of the Outlook window. Click it and choose Always Show Ribbon. This pins the toolbar so it stays expanded across the top, giving you constant access to commands like new email, send, receive, and formatting tools. Another quick trick is to double-click any tab name, such as Home or View. A single click opens the tab temporarily. A double click locks the ribbon open. If you notice it collapsing again, try double clicking the tab you use most to keep everything in place. Sometimes you'll see only the tab names without the commands underneath. In that case, click any tab to reveal the commands. Then, on the far right of the ribbon, click the small arrow and select Show Tabs and Commands. That option ensures both the tabs and their full set of buttons remain visible rather than just the tab row. Finally, when you're composing an email, you can choose how dense the toolbar appears. In the message window, click the downward arrow at the top right and select Simplified Ribbon or Classic Ribbon. Simplified shows a streamlined set of the most common actions, great for a cleaner look. Classic displays fuller groups and more commands on screen, ideal if you rely on advanced options. Pick the one that matches your workflow. You can switch anytime. A quick tip before we wrap up. Outlook usually remembers your last ribbon setting, so once you pin it or choose your preferred layout, it should stay that way. If it doesn't, repeat these steps to reapply your preference. That's it. Your Outlook toolbar is back, visible, and ready to use.